Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of one of my absolute favorite kits ever. This is a Chevy Nova SS Pro Stocker, affectionately known as the old Pro kit, AMT. Now, this particular one was part of AMT Ertl, kit number 30106. And I'm not sure the year on this one when it came out, but I've had probably 10 of these throughout the course of my model building career. I absolutely love this kit. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing for this one today. I'm sure most of you have built this kit before. So here we go. Here are the instructions. You can build stock or pro stock. Nice tunnel ram deal there with the dual quad setup. Velocity stacks, nice. Intake runners, not tunnel ram, different version. Okay. Some wheels and tires. I remember this kit came with some awesome tires. I hope they're the same. I haven't seen the inside of this kit in a long time. You can put a roll bar in there. I always like the fact that the fenders were separate on this particular kit. A lot of people around the neighborhood when I was growing up had actual Novas, and just, man, I just loved it. Yep. And here's the body. Yep, fenders are separate. That's so cool. This one here is a little bit on the thinner side, but not ridiculously thin. Sides. The long front and the short rear end was always pretty cool. To me, excuse me. Molded in windshield wipers. Here's your interior tub. Minimal detail on the inside of that. Package tray doesn't have much to say, anything going on there. A lot of good memories with this particular kit for me. Yep, there's your fenders. Here's the chassis. Yep. Everything's all molded in, subframe and everything. Fuel tank. Springs for the rear. Alright. Here's that hood. And the roll cage pieces in there. Yep, roll bar. Here's a dual exhaust system. Rear end looks like a 12 bolt. No, I take that back. It looks like a 10 bolt. Alright. Here's the engine. Halves, of course, and transmission. 4-speed it looks like. Fan belt and pulley system. Water pump. Heads. Firewall. Small little console. The shackles for the rear springs to jack up that rear end. Battery with some kind of goofy flashing going on there. Little radiator shroud. Shock absorbers. Custom headers. Here's the back seat. And the steering wheel that, boy, that looked like a Camaro steering wheel. I don't remember if the Nova had that style steering wheel. I always thought it had just the single bar. Whichever. It was pretty slick. And the back's for the rear slicks. And here's two of the rear slicks. They are Goodyears. These are always one of my favorite sets of tires to get in a model car. You can put those on just about anything. And here's front seats and another engine. Wow, I didn't realize there was two engines in this. This is looks like a big block with a turbohydromatic either 350 or 400. I can't tell just by looking at that one. Here's the heads, intake manifold, fan belt and pulley, water pump, big fan there, stock exhaust manifolds, oil pan, distributor, little oil filler cap there, and a classic looking air cleaner, starter, carburetor, backs of the seats, and two bucket seats for the front. Yep. Pretty slick. Here's the dashboard. And these are the plastic axles, which were real popular when I was younger. This kit used to come with metal axles, and when they went to plastic, it was like, really, you know. You can see the detail on the dashboard there. Alright. And then the other hood, which I just love this hood. That's great. Give you the option to build it stock or custom with the big old snorkel top on the thing there. Hood scoop. And here are the standard tires, which are really nice also. A little tiny though. Man. Polyglass, it says Goodyear's. Polyglass GT. Decent tread. Nothing to write home about. And well, because it's right here, there's a glass, the windshield, rear window, and the side windows, and 2 headlights. I'm just going to set that there. Oh wow, there's actually a metal axle in here too. Well, that's cool. That's a nice bonus, but just one. Oh no, I was wrong, guys. Here's the second one, a smaller one, shorter one. Excuse me, just a second. Sorry about that. Wow. The tail lights. Ertl blueprinter. And then the chrome. Go ahead and get that open. The chrome on this set, model is always one of my favorites. Ooh, we got a little bend going on there. Got the rear end and front end. Classic front end there. Absolutely love these cars. 2 different sets of wheels, like Krager's here, and then the Chevy Rally rims there. Chrome air cleaner, alternator, the velocity stacks for the tops of the carburetors, chrome valve covers, the intake manifolds, dual carbs, some chrome shock absorbers, fan. And this is another intake that goes with the, I just seen them, with the velocity, not the velocity stack, but these things. The intake went with that. Shifter, some valve covers, deep sump oil pan, ladder bars. And that was that. And for decals, the old Pro, there she is. Grouchy, got the AC. That looks just like the cat from AMT, but that's the AC cat. I think what became AC Delco later on, I believe. Michigan license plate CJ10214. STP. Holly Slicks. Little rabbit there. I can't make out what it says under there. Old Chevy Pro 365. Well, that's all, folks. I appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for taking a look at one of my favorite kits with me. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.